guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making a Texas cake. We had some polls on Facebook, and we started with 8 of grandma's most known dishes that she makes. And Texas cake ended up being the one that you guys wanted us to do in the video the most. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And Texas cake is really good. It's pretty simple and
yeah, it's fast, easy, big. Serves a lot of people.
Before we start this video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our social medias, because we'll be posting a lot of things on the social medias and then our YouTube channel, so you can see all of the videos we post too.
Let's get started. What you want to do is preheat the oven to 400. And then next, in a small saucepan, we're going to bring to a boil all these ingredients. We need 4 tablespoons of cocoa. 4. Okay. 4 tablespoons of cocoa. Next, we're going to stir in a cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Half a cup of oil. And a stick of butter. Okay, so you stir that together and bring to a boil. Okay, so once it starts boiling, you can just turn it off, take it off the burner, leave it set till you get your next part done. We're going to move over to here, and we're going to mix 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and we use Hudson cream, because it's the best. A teaspoon of baking soda, and half a cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So once you get all that measured, then we're going to go back over to here and pour in the chocolate mixture that we brought to a boil. Go ahead and put it in. And then we're going to mix it for 4 minutes. So just start out on low. Do it on low till it's mixed a little bit, and then we got to beat it for 4 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it up on high, and we'll be back when your 4 minutes is up. Okay, we got that part done. Turn off the timer. Okay, then we want to pour it into a long cookie sheet. I'm going to just spray it with cooking spray. It doesn't stick. I'm almost out. You just want to pour it in here. Get it all out. Okay. And just kind of shake it and get it even. Okay, we're good to go. So then you want to stick it in the oven. Like I said, I have it on 400 degrees, and it bakes for 15 minutes. That's what makes it easy and fast. You don't have to bake it that long. Then when you get it out, you can just put the frosting right on it while it's hot. Okay, about 2 minutes before the cake gets done, we're going to get the frosting ready. So we need a stick of butter, 4 tablespoons of cocoa, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we added 6 tablespoons of buttermilk. Okay, so you get your butter melted. You want to bring this to a boil. Okay, we'll check our cake and see if it got done. I think we're going to bake it about 2 more minutes. Now we'll just get this to boil. All right, it's done. Okay, so once it comes to a boil, just remove from heat and add a pound of powdered sugar. This is a 2-pound bag. It's almost full, so I'm just going to kind of guess at it. So stir that well. Add a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Then you add a half a cup of walnuts, chopped walnuts. And we're ready to pour it on the hot cake. Just want to kind of put it all over. And just take your wooden spoon and spread it out. So we're going to let it cool a little bit and then we'll taste it.
Okay guys, we're back and we are here to try the Texas cake. It turned out great. But first, Grandma has something she wanted to say.
Yeah, with a heavy heart, I found out I'm lactose intolerant. I can't drink milk anymore. April Fools. I like milk. Good enough. Mm-hmm. It's kind of like brownies, but it's like a cake too.
Well, thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the bell to turn on notifications so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And make sure you share this video with your friends and family so they can make it too. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Oh, let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Can you believe it? A cake in a cookie sheet. Do you want to lick the spoon? Don't worry. Be happy. As long as you're a mathematician like me, you'll do fine. April Fools. I like milk.